Hello, welcome to Indpro's Technical Content Series for Understanding Bulk Solids Handling Products, Part 27. I'm Ronak, and today we'll be talking about static blending cones and the importance of these in bulk solids handling. During polymerization or polymer compounding, there can be a few properties in the polymer that can change during the manufacturing process, even during a single batch. These include the MFI or the melt flow index, color variation, or generation of off-spec product. In a previous technical series video, we covered how there are two flow paths through a silo, mass flow and core flow. Mass flow is the principle of first in, first out, where through the cross-section of the silo, the product bed moves uniformly from the outlet of the silo. Whereas in a funnel flow or a core flow mechanism, the product present in the center moves out of the silo first, followed by the sides. Within a silo, the material that is filled inside during the pneumatic transport or by any other filling mechanism can cause segregation within the inside of the silo. The static blending cone is such a device that is designed to take care of homogenizing the material that is present inside the silo such that the product that comes out from the outlet of this unit is uniform in all respects. Now let's have a look on how a simple geometric insert forces thousands of tons of polymer to blend itself. The inner cone deflects the material outwards and creates an inner flow channel, while the annular space between the cone and the silo wall regulates the material velocity. Heavy-duty engineering is required to withstand immense static and dynamic material loads. Different materials have different bases in designing of this static blending cone. Polymers such as polypropylene, polyethylene, and polyester have high flowability and predictive friction angles, whereas regrind and flakes are irregular in shape and are prone to interlocking and bridging, and powders such as PVC are sometimes cohesive in nature and require precise cone angles to prevent rat holing. These devices work best when clubbed with a pneumatic conveying system downstream, which can recirculate the material back into the silo such that the action of the blender can work on multiple passes.
Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.